Hey guys, EJ Lockpicks here. Got another one for you today. It's the Master 532. Okay, here's the bidding. It's a decently challenging bidding. High, low, high, low. Let's put this in the vise. It does have security pins, by the way. Only spools though, nothing special. So I'm going to use a small hook and my very thin tension wrench. So we're going to have to go all the way in the back. It's hard to get past the warding. The warding's quite annoying. Same kind of warding on the Master number 570. There we go. Get it in there. Alright. So a little bit of light tension. Oh, alright, got a false set. Now I'm just looking for counter rotation. Feels like pin 4. I feel like I got him set. Oop, kind of fell out. Pin 3, little counter rotation. Got him set. Pin 2. Oh, we're just gonna go in order. Oh, here we got it picked. So that's the Master number 532 picked, opened. Didn't take very long, but it's not a bad lock. It's a very strong lock. I guess the only picking resistance we have here are a couple of spool pins and that tight warding. But that's it. Be legal and only pick your own locks. Have fun. Thanks for watching.